on the farmers' march to Delhi. It's been suspended for the day. Farmers have withdrawn their protest at the Shambu border, which is the Delhi-Haryana border. The farmers, remember, were stopped at Shambu border. They weren't allowed into the national capital. Tear gas shells were fired at them, so some farmers were injured in that, and that's why the farmers have called off the agitation for today, suspending the march. But remember, the issues haven't been resolved, and in all likelihood, they will continue this protest in the days to come. Asim Basi is joining us live from Shambu border with more details on this. Asim, for now, the farmers' march stands suspended, but it doesn't mean issue has been resolved. It doesn't mean they've called off the protest.
Yes, definitely. For the day, the Kisan March to Delhi has been suspended. The farmers tried to approach towards the Shambu border at 12 noon, but after that, the Haryana police consistently used tear gas shells. They also used water cannons. A lot of strategies were put in by Haryana police, and around half a dozen farmers got injured into this. So, for the day, the farmers, the march towards Delhi has been suspended, but this does not mean that this is going to end here. The farmers are going to huddle into a meeting very soon, and after that they'll give the next strategies. We have few farmers along with us. हाँ जी, क्या नाम आपका?
गमदूर सिंह नाम है जी।
सर, आप सुबह से यहाँ पर हैं, 12 बजे से संघर्ष कर रहे थे, आपके आगे जाना चाहते थे, लेकिन वाटर कैनन भी चला, टीयर गैस भी चली, तो अब आज के लिए विराम कर दिया गया है, तो इसका मतलब क्या है? आज जाएंगे दोबारा, कोशिश करेंगे एक दो दिन में, कि अब खत्म है?
बिल्कुल जी, जैसे आपने बात करी, जो हमारी स्ट्रेटजी है एक दिन की नहीं है। जैसे 6 को करा, 8 को करा, अभी हमारे जो आगू हैं वो मीटिंग कर रहे हैं, वो हमें समा देंगे, हो सकता है 10 को या 11 तारीख को एक जथा और जाएगा। हमारा मकसद क्या है, जो सेंटर सरकार है उससे भिड़ने या कोई आतंक मचाने की कोई बात नहीं। साडा जोड़ा मकसद है, इसको टेबल टॉक पे लेके आने का मकसद है। इसीलिए एक दिन नहीं, जे लगातार भी चले तो कम से कम 2-3 महीना लगातार हम आगे जते भेजते रहेंगे।
So for the day it has been suspended, but this does not mean, you heard it clearly, that this will continue. They'll get into a meeting, then announce the next strategy. But they say that the only part they are stressing is that they want to get into a dialogue with the government to resolve their demands. Yesterday they waited, but there was no call from the government, no invitation, and they're hopeful now that the invitation will come. There will be some dialogue. But if it does not happen, the farmers will continue to head towards Delhi on foot. Yeah.
Right, thanks very much, Asim, for getting us that update from Ground Zero. Asim getting us voices from the farmers who say that, look, our fight continues. We're not backing down. It's just suspended for the day, keeping in mind that some farmers have also been injured. But let's take you through what exactly played out today at the Delhi-Haryana border as farmers again started marching towards the national capital. Last week, remember, we saw farmers along the Delhi-Noida border, today along the Delhi-Haryana border. Massive security was deployed at the Shambu border with the message very clearly sent across by the authorities that these farmers will not be allowed to enter Delhi, as a result of which there was a protest and an argument subsequently that broke out between cops and the farmers. Cops had to use tear gas shells to disperse and halt the farmers, but at this point, because of the same, the farmers have suspended their march.
Currently, Haryana police and paramilitary forces are warning the farmers to not breach this line. It was seen on 6th of December when 101 farmers, a delegation of 101 farmers, tried to march towards the national capital. A confrontation took place where chemical, smoke canisters and other preventive measures were used by the paramilitary forces as well as Haryana police to stop the farmers to enter into the Haryana territory. Even the internet services in Ambala has been scrapped till December 9, and even media has been advised by DGP Haryana, and they have written a letter to DGP Punjab to ask media to stay away 1 kilometer from the epicenter, where you can see straight from the visuals that second march of 101 farmers has started, and now the administration, the Haryana police is talking with them. They are warning them that please go back, otherwise they will use preventive measures. More barbed wires have been rolled on the iron net, black iron net, to stop farmers to climb the tin roof, and on the other side also I'll show you more security personnel have been added here with more Vajrvahan and water cannons deployed here to stop farmers. Even they had deployed paramilitary forces here down on the ground near the Ghaggar, so no one can pass through this border under the bridge. So here you can see straight in the visuals how they are trying to communicate with the farmers. The Haryana police is trying to stop them, and you can see in the visuals with mask, eye protection, and as well as anti-riot gear. The Haryana police personnel are all equipped with anti-riot gear and protection gear, that if this leads to some confrontation, so they could use smoke canisters, chemical as preventive measures to stop farmers to march towards the national capital. With the cameraman Manish Biduri, Anmol Bali from Shambhu border.
पहले इनको आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे, परमिशन देखेंगे, तब जाने दे सकते हैं।
आपके पास कोई लिस्ट आई है?
लिस्ट आई थी, ये वो आदमी नहीं है जो लिस्ट में नाम है।
कितने लोगों की लिस्ट आई थी?
101 आदमियों की।
वो ये नहीं है
ना अपनी पहचान ही नहीं करा रहे, यानी कि ये मौत के शेप में आ रहे हैं।
तो अगर आपको 101 लोगों की लिस्ट सही वाली मिलती तो जाने देंगे उनको?
हाँ जी, परमिशन, उसके बाद परमिशन चेक करेंगे।
कल आपने पूरा दिन इंतजार किया कि शायद केंद्र की तरफ से, सरकार की तरफ से बातचीत की कोई न्योता आए, लेकिन वो नहीं आया। तो आज आपने बोला है 12 बजे फिर जाएंगे, तो आपको उम्मीद है आज जाने दिया जाएगा आपको?
हाँ, देखिए, जिस तरह का सरकार ने आगे बंदोबस्त कर रखा है, 100 आदमी आगे नहीं बढ़ पाएगा, ऐसा हमारा मानना है। 100 आदमी की ताकत स्टेट के खिलाफ संघर्ष करने की नहीं है। हम जो इन्होंने बोला था कि ट्रैक्टर ट्रॉली नहीं चाहिए, केंद्रीय मंत्री, राज्यों के मंत्री, इन्होंने हाई कोर्ट में, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जो प्रशासन की कमेटी बनाई थी सुप्रीम, उन्होंने बोला था, तो हम देश को दिखाना चाहते हैं कि ये किस तरह से मुकर रहे हैं। देश के किसान को देश की राजधानी में नहीं जाना देते हैं। ये हम दंडौत करते भी जाए ना, तो भी हमें दिल्ली जाने नहीं देंगे।
कुछ राजनीतिक दल किसानों के नाम के ऊपर अपनी राजनीतिक रोटियां सेकने का काम कर रहे हैं। कांग्रेस उसका उदाहरण है। वो राजनीतिक रोटियां तो सेकते हैं, परंतु उनके हित के लिए उन्होंने कोई काम नहीं किया। मोदी जी ने अपने 10 वर्षों के कार्यकाल में मजबूती से और गति से किसानों के हित में फैसले भी लिए हैं और किसानों को सशक्त भी किया है, मजबूत भी किया है और उन तक लाभ भी पहुंचाया है।